Tennis and tennis racket master slave vending machine. One-stop ball sports equipment solution. Ball products are sold on the left, and rackets are sold in the lockers on the right. The number and size of the lockers can be customized. Shopping process. Touch screen to purchase tennis balls. Payment method can be customized. The XY axis lifts smoothly and quickly for shipment. Side contactless pickup port for picking up goods. Touch screen to purchase tennis rackets. The locker door pops open. Take your racket away. Suitable for selling tennis, badminton, and other ball sporting goods.